Hello everybody, welcome back to Channel Wood Arena. CH885 Wicked Good Whole Tree Biomass Chipper, a revolution in tree chipping technology. When it comes to tackling large-scale wood processing tasks, the CH885 Wicked Good Whole Tree Biomass Chipper stands as a game-changer. Engineered with cutting-edge technology and unmatched efficiency, this powerful wood chipper redefines what it means to handle whole tree chipping and biomass production. The CH885 is not just fast, it's the fastest tree chipper technology in the market today. Designed for professional-grade performance, it delivers exceptional throughput, handling massive volumes of wood with precision and speed. Whether you're processing hardwoods, softwoods, or mixed species, this machine ensures consistent, high-quality wood chips in record time. The CH885's robust construction and innovative engineering make it a dependable ally for forestry operations, biomass production, and land clearing. Its heavy-duty feed system effortlessly pulls in whole trees, branches, and logs, reducing manual effort and downtime. With high torque capabilities, this chipper powers through even the toughest materials without breaking a sweat. At the heart of the CH885 is its revolutionary chipping mechanism, which combines precision cutting with minimal energy consumption. The machine incorporates state-of-the-art blade technology that ensures optimal chip size for a variety of applications, from biomass fuel production to landscape mulch. An intuitive control system allows operators to adjust settings on the fly, maximizing productivity while ensuring safety and reliability. The CH885 also features advanced self-cleaning mechanisms and easy-access maintenance points, keeping your operations running smoothly. The CH885 isn't just about power, it's about creating solutions for a sustainable future. By turning whole trees into biomass efficiently, this chipper plays a vital role in renewable energy production and eco-friendly land management practices. It's a tool that supports environmental stewardship while delivering top-tier performance. When speed, power, and precision matter most, the CH885 Wicked Good Whole Tree Biomass Chipper is the ultimate choice. Its combination of innovative design, rugged durability, and unmatched efficiency makes it an investment that pays off in every job. With this machine in your arsenal, you're not just chipping wood, you're shaping the future of forestry and biomass industries. Next, the power of the 885 Barco dynamic conehead chipper. Unleash the extraordinary capabilities of the 885 Barco dynamic conehead chipper, a marvel in wood chipping technology. Engineered for performance and efficiency, this powerful machine revolutionizes the way trees are processed, setting new standards in speed, precision, and reliability. At the heart of this beast lies cutting-edge technology designed to handle even the toughest wood with ease. The conehead design ensures maximum throughput, transforming logs, branches, and debris into finely chipped material at record-breaking speeds. Whether you're tackling massive forestry operations or managing landscape projects, the 885 Barco Dynamic delivers unmatched results every time. Built for durability, its robust construction withstands heavy-duty use while maintaining peak performance. User-friendly controls and safety features make operation smooth and secure, even in demanding environments. With its incredible speed and efficiency, this chipper saves valuable time and reduces labor costs, making it an indispensable asset for professionals in forestry, agriculture, and land management. Experience the future of wood chipping technology with the 885 Barco Dynamic Conehead Chipper. When power meets innovation, nothing stands in its way. Maximize productivity and chip away limitations with this game-changing machine. When it comes to tackling green waste, the Arge's Raptor XL stands as a groundbreaking solution. Known for its unparalleled speed and efficiency, this powerful wood chipper transforms tree branches, leaves, and other green waste into manageable, eco-friendly material. Whether you're dealing with bulky tree limbs or smaller debris, the Raptor XL ensures that no challenge is too big or small. What sets the Arge's Raptor XL apart is its advanced technology. Equipped with state-of-the-art processing systems, it delivers rapid and precise chipping that outpaces traditional machines. The system is designed to optimize every step of the process, minimizing downtime while maximizing productivity. Its robust cutting mechanisms handle tough materials with ease, making it ideal for demanding projects in forestry, landscaping, or waste management. Even smaller branches and leaves are no match for this powerhouse. The Raptor XL excels at breaking down green waste into fine mulch or chips, ensuring that nothing goes to waste. This eco-friendly approach not only reduces the volume of waste but also repurposes it for composting, landscaping, or bioenergy production. The Arge's Raptor XL isn't just a tool, it's a revolution in green waste management. With its user-friendly design and remarkable performance, it sets new standards for efficiency and sustainability. Whether you're a professional in forestry or a municipality looking to manage green waste effectively, the Raptor XL is a reliable partner you can count on.